Hi, welcome to the how-to video series of Projectrak for Jira, a place to make your project tracking more effective. In this video, we'll show you how to track your Jira projects by using the Project Timesheet gadget. Let's work with the Jira Dashboard where we have already built a pie chart and a statistic chart gadget. Once in the Jira Dashboard, click over the Add Gadget button located on the upper right side of the dashboard. Then, a pop-up window will appear displaying a list with all the gadgets available for you to insert within the current dashboard. Hit over the search bar on the left and type Projectrak. This search will throw a list of all the 5 different gadgets Projectrak offers. Let's add the timesheet gadget. Once selected, a configuration panel will emerge in the Jira dashboard. We close the pop-up window and let's configure the gadget. Similar amongst the Projectrak gadgets, the first option is to name the gadget. We recommend doing it describing very concisely the information you will report. In this case, we're going to call it Project Time Tracking. In the Source section, we choose from 2 different types of data sources. First, using the project query language, styled as PQL, represents a specific search of the projects you need to keep track of. Be sure the query grammar is right in order to feed the gadget with project data. The second option is using saved filters, which is pretty much self-explanatory. You get to select from a drop-down menu a filter you previously have saved, which contains specific data about the projects you need to track. This time, we will use the Support Packs filter. Supposing you need to select a specific group of issues from the previous filter or PQL you have already selected, click on the Issue Filter drop-down menu to select that filter you have previously saved on Jira. This time we will leave it blank. For the next configuration, we need to select a previously saved type of Original Estimate project field. For this example, we are choosing the Support Pack Size project field. The following statement lets you know the time spent statistic will be based on the logged work within the issues belonging to the selected projects. Right after, we need to choose which information to display as a remaining of time per project to be shown in the report we're building. The Based on Issues Remaining section will show 3 different values in the report: the time estimation, the time logged in the issues of the project, and the time left to be spent on those issues. And the Original Estimate minus the time spent option, our selection, will show the value we have previously selected from our original estimate field list, which in this case is the support pack size, subtracting the information from the last time spent option. In the time unit option, we select how to display the information in days, hours, or a pretty format, which is a more explicit way to show the time units. We are going to pick hours. Almost finishing, we can select how often we need to refresh the gadget: every 15 or 30 minutes, or every 1 or 2 hours, or never. We are going to leave it in never. Now, let's save the configuration to check the information the Project Timesheet gadget will display in the Jira dashboard. Here is the list. All the projects selected in a time tracking table with project information. We can visualize with a quick look. What was the time originally estimated to be spent on these projects? The time already spent on each of our projects, and the time remaining to be spent on those. This information is shown as total values and percentages. Even better, if you need more information, you can click over each project and drill into the project data. The Project Timesheet gadget represents a project time tracking solution when you need to be aware of the time invested within your projects from the perspective of the estimation versus the time incurred. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check our YouTube channel for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and follow us on our social media channels.